I put this topic in here because I know that you're going to start putting in a virtual machine or a virtual server on your personal laptop or whatever, desktop. You're going to see a Unix system that's going to be maybe a little bit foreign to you, and then some have been doing it for quite a while. But I wanted to show you some things about the users in general that you're going to see as you're just starting to play with your overall Linux server. So one is actually a Unix file. If you can believe this, is that the system looks up our login information in order to frankly say, okay, you're good, and pass and go and move in after you've typed in your password. Now, the overall system setup for this is a file, if you can believe it, and it has delimiters of those semicolons, colons, these are colons, on how this is set up. Now, I'm going to go through some of this before, but now you can start seeing this is an application. Remember how we did file I/O in Java and C++? Yeah, we're actually going to get into a little bit of that. I think you're going to see actually a lot of C++ code for your file I/O stuff. So just a heads up, if you need a refresher on that, let me know. I'm happy to give you some of my material for that. But all of these files that you see for just users in general are going to have different features in there that I'm going to explain all of these, some of them today, and then some of them kind of in the middle of the course when we get back into the Unix system, the file system, and everything else like that. So just a heads up. One quick thing, again, this is more of just you're going to send this to me. It's not a direct answer to this. How would you parse this particular line in C++? All of us are probably used to just sucking in the whole entire line till the end of the line. Well, what if I don't want that? What if I want the login name? I want the password, which is X. I hope not. But anyway, how would I break that up? So again, simple text answer on what you're going to submit from the previous stuff, and that's all I want for that. Keep it simple, but give me a right answer on that one.